welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some Valentine's Day decorating in our kitchen. If you are new here, hi, my name is Renee and welcome to our cozy cottage. If you do enjoy what you see today, I hope you'll consider subscribing because I'd love to have you back. And please like and comment on my video. It really helps out my channel. All right, let's get to decorating. Guys, here I am cleaning and decorating our coffee bar area in the kitchen. And here I'm adding this Ray Dunn I Love You a Latte sign to this two-tiered shelf I got at Hobby Lobby. I think this looks so cute. I got these striped coffee cups at Ross. I got these cute paper straws on Amazon. Here's how my coffee bar turned out. Now I'm decorating the two-tier tray, and I'm going to use my adorable Joanna Parker Valentine's Day mugs. And here I'm adding this plug so I can elevate this sign on the bottom. Now I'm wiping off our stove with some Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. And I'm going to decorate it with a cute love sign from Hobby Lobby and some heart dish towels. Here I'm adding my adorable light up gnome canister on the counter. And now I'm dusting off my hutch over here in the corner of the kitchen and decorating it. And I just got this cute set of gnomes on Amazon. I will put a link in the description box down below for these. And here's what the kitchen looks like decorated for Valentine's Day. Friends, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.